How to delete your Snapchat account permanently. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can delete your Snapchat account permanently. So let's dive in. First, open your Snapchat app and then click your profile icon on the top left corner. And now click the settings gear on the top right corner and scroll down. And once you do so, you'll find this option that says delete account. Click it. And now you simply have to click continue if you want to delete your account. Just put in your password over here and then click continue. Your account will be deactivated and your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. And you'll also lose any chats you have saved and any snaps and chats you haven't opened. And after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. If you would like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log in into Snapchat. But if you do not use it for 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.